Hey guys, we're back with some more R7 content for you. That last video, I was amazed at the response we got. Over 100,000 views, so keep up the good work guys, I really appreciate the support. Today we're going up to Eastern Creek, Sydney Dragway should I say, to run the R7. I've got the R7 and my MT-09 in the back of the van. Got a guest rider that's going to be riding the R7 for me. He's an experienced drag racer. He's a lot lighter than me. Come on, I know my limitations. 120 kilos. It's not conducive to fast times down the quarter mile, but anyway. Yeah, so Brett's going to be riding the bike for me. You'll meet him in a second. And yeah, let's see what this thing can do. It's got the base turbo kit on it. It's still set at 7.5 pounds of boost. And the stock ride height, we haven't lowered the bike or anything yet. So be very interested to see, just get a baseline of where it's at. So, all right, you will meet Brett in just a second. So we're here at the track, and this is my rider, Brett.
Hey
Say hi, Brett.
How you going?
He's just eyeballing the bike for the first time. What do you think? Looks fast. So we're gonna just go and get it teched in, and he'll get a few practice runs just to get a feel for the bike, and then we'll see what sort of times he can do.
See how we go.
Yeah. All right. Let's go. Now it's recording. Hey! What did you think?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, super light.
We did a nice little side-by-side pass. What was that? 11:20 for his first run. 11:29 at 124 mile an hour. All right, that's number one.
Yeah, try again.
Can only get better.
The whole time because I'm used to it like reverse shift.
Oh yeah. Oh, is yours reverse shift?
Yeah, mine's reverse.
Oh right.
I run everything reverse.
Oh right.
But it's fine. I did it fine that time.
Yeah right.
So that wasn't a bad first excursion.
Not too bad for the
Yeah.
first run, yeah.
Best of 10.9 with 125.
125.
Yeah, I just had a go, by the way, and what I run at 12.4, so
47, yeah.
so yeah, it's actually making a little bit less than 7.5 pounds of boost, so I'll address that, and we'll start turning it up. But overall, very successful first outing.
Good night out.
Yeah. So until next time. And the other thing is that Brett is used to race shift, so next time we come out we're going to do a bit of a change there, make it into race shift, make it more what he's used to, see if we can get a better time. But yeah, overall very good. And the old beast ran a 9.9 at 146, was it? Yeah, the old trusty, the old postie bike, so very happy. All right, until next time.